Good afternoon. Here are some of our rental excavators. As you can see, they're mostly Yanmar and Wacker Neuson brands here, and there's 3 or 4 models here. And the problem with these wonderful tools is that most every one of them moves the pattern selector to change it from ISO to standard or backhoe to excavator controls. So I just wanted to walk through a couple of these that are in different spots and show you where to find them so that you don't waste half a day and lots of phone calls and Googling to find it. This is a Yanmar Vio17, as is this one. The red one's just a little newer. For these little guys, you open up the hatch here, and if you look right down there, there's an orange handle, and you just flip it up and move it over 45 degrees either way, and that will swap it on the Yanmar Vio17s. The next one in our little lineup here is going to be a Wacker Neuson ET20. About the same class of machine as the Yanmar 17, very similar performance. It does have conventional tail swing, which some people like and some don't, but it also gives you a lot more floorboard space. As you can tell, there's the Wacker ET20 versus the Yanmar 17 over there. May be hard to tell on this phone, but a substantial difference. At any rate, on the ET20, your pattern selector is there. This one here, the small one. So you back off that set screw, turn it up to swap it back and forth. This other handle actually changes your control pattern for your track width adjustment. Right now, this one is extended. You can move that over and then use the backfill blade handle, which will swap it between the backfill blade and the track expansion. The next one is a Yanmar Vio25, so we're getting up into the 6,000 pound class. These are real simple. You just reach in here, you open that little hatch up, and then you've got it right there, optional and standard. So you flip up the orange handle, move it, and let her fall. And that's all it takes on those to go back and forth. Yanmar Vio35 is next. It is the exact same as the 25. You've got that same little hatch over here. It does open the opposite way, but there you go. The next one is one that's really hidden. It is a Wacker Neuson EZ38. So on the Wacker EZ38, it's actually right in here above your swing cylinder. I don't even know if I can get it on the camera. Yeah. And so there it is there. So you just move that one. And it's supposed to have a set screw in it, but that one's missing. But that's all you do on it. And again, it's right in there above the swing cylinder. On some of the other models of Wacker, like the EZ38, a size down from this one, there's actually up here behind the seat, behind where your left shoulder would be, there's a little opening right here that you can drop a little port in, and then got the same valve, but it's behind the seat. So many of these excavator manufacturers put them in different places and like to hide them, but they're an important part of renting because you want to be efficient, so you need it in the control pattern that you're used to. Thank you for watching.